Let's learn about understanding opposites in real life. If a scuba diver is 10 meters below sea level, represented as negative 10 meters, and they rise 10 meters above sea level, what is their position relative to zero? What does zero represent in this context? So let's have a little visualization here. Here's our sea level. Our scuba diver is starting at 10 meters below. So sea level here, 10 meters, negative 10 meters, and that's our little diver. Don't critique me on my little drawing there, all right? So now they rose 10 meters above sea level. So we have a negative 10 meters down here. We went 10 meters above sea level. So that's 10 meters above, and this is where the scuba diver is, and maybe they're on a boat or something, but we'll just show them floating right there in, well, in the air. So 10 meters above sea level. What is their position relative to zero? Well, relative to zero, sea level is going to be that zero here. They are 10 meters above sea level, so 10 meters above zero, so the position would be plus 10 meters, a positive 10 meters. Zero represents, in this context, that's going to be our sea level. Everything below sea level will be represented as negative. Everything above sea level will be positive. So we have a positive here and negative down there. It's kind of like a number line that's made vertical. So there we have it. We moved up here, a total of 20 meters from our original position, but a positive 10 meters above sea level. Hope you learned something here about understanding opposites in real life. And as always, thanks for watching.